Caring for your diecast model cars, tips and tricks. If you're a collector of diecast model cars, you know how important it is to take good care of them. Not only do they hold sentimental value, but they can also be valuable investments. Here are some tips on how to properly care for your diecast model cars. Keep them clean. Regularly clean your diecast model cars to remove any dust or dirt that may have accumulated on them. Cleaning them will help prevent damage and keep them looking like new. Handle them carefully. Diecast model cars are delicate, so you should handle them carefully. Avoid holding them by the wheels or other small parts, as these can easily break off. Instead, lift them gently by the body or base of the car. Store them properly. When not on display, you should store your diecast model cars safely and securely. A good location can be a glass display case, a shelf, or even a box with padding. Avoid storing them in direct sunlight or damp areas, as this can cause damage. Protect them from damage. Over time, your diecast model cars may become damaged through regular wear and tear. To prevent this, consider using protective covers or display cases to keep them safe. Storing them this way will also help prevent damage from accidents or spills. Don't overhandle them. While you want to appreciate and enjoy your diecast model cars, avoid handling them too much. Constant handling can cause wear and tear, so it's best to limit how often you pick them up and move them around. Wear gloves. Gloves prevent oil or grease on your hands from transferring onto the models and potentially damaging the finish. You should wear gloves to help prevent the transfer of dirt or other contaminants from your hands onto the models. Finally, wearing gloves can prevent accidental fingerprints or smudges on the models, keeping them in pristine condition. By following these simple tips, you can help ensure that your diecast model cars remain in good condition for years. Whether you're a serious collector or a casual enthusiast, taking good care of your model cars is essential to preserving their value and enjoyment.